Hi dear viewers, I am Kalaivani from SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. Today we are going to see about secondary metabolites. That is, it contains of glycosides, flavonoids, tannins, terpenoids, saponins, alkaloids like that. So today we are going to see about glycosides. Glycoside, it's a group of naturally occurring complex compound, and it consists of about sugar part, that is glycone, and non-sugar part, that is aglycone. So combinedly it is known as glycoside. And the bond joining in glycosidic bond will be forming between hemiacetal group of saccharide and OH group of an alcohol. So the glycone and aglycone portions can be chemically separated by hydrolysis, and it may be in the presence of any of the acids. And there are also numerous enzymes that can form and break glycosidic bonds. Chemically, they are acetyl or sugar ethers, and it will be formed by interaction of OH group of non-sugar and the sugar particles with the loss of H2O, that is water. So this OH of glycone will be known as also alcoholic, phenolic, amines, etc. And the sugars of the glycosides will be of beta D glucose, others like mannose, galactose, rhamnose, digitox, etc. And now we are going to see about the classifications. So coming to the classification, it is being classified into three. Majorly, that is on the basis of glycone, and on the basis of glycosidic linkage, and the basis of aglycone. So in the basis of glycone, it is of glycone will be group of the glycoside, that is glucose, and will be converted to glucoside. So if the converted part is fructose, then it will be called as fructoside, and if the converted part is glucuronic acid, then it will be called as glucuronide. Okay. So now on the basis of glycosidic linkage, there will be O glycoside, N glycosides, S glycosides, and C glycosides. So O glycosides, the sugar molecule of glycone will be combined with the phenol group or OH group of aglycone. For example, higher plants like senna, rhubarb, salicin, and means the compounds present like salicin, cardiac glycosides, etc. And coming to N glycosides, here the N sugar molecule will be combined with the amino group, that is N or NH group of the glycone, and the examples nucleosides. So S sugar molecules will be combined with the S or ASH, that is thiol group of aglycoside. So this is S glycosides, and here the examples iso thiocyanate, for example green from the black mustard, etc. And what is C glycosides? Here the sugar molecule will be directly combined with the atom of the aglycone. For example, anthraquinone glycosides like aline, barbaloin, carcoceride, etc. So here, and coming to the C, that is basis of on the basis of aglycone, there are many classes. There is anthraquinone glycosides, sterol or cardiac glycosides, saponin glycosides, cyanogenic or cyanophoric glycosides, thiocyanate or isothiocyanate glycosides, flavone glycosides, aldehyde glycosides, phenol glycosides, etc. And there have been some examples like anthraquinone glycosides, senna, rhubarb, aloe vera will be containing anthraquinone, and digitalis, pivetia, squill will be containing of cardiac glycoside or sterol glycosides. Liquorized ginseng, diasporia will be of content of the saponin glycosides, and cyanogenic and cyanophoric glycosides we can see in bitter almond, wild cherry bark, etc. And thiocyanate or isothiocyanate glycosides will be present mostly in the black mustard. Ginkgo contains flavone glycosides, vanilla contains aldehyde glycosides, and bearberry contains phenol glycosides, like that. And coming to the identification test, so each class of the glycosides will be having their own chemical test to find out the glycoside part present in the compound. So that is for a chemical test for anthraquinone glycosides, will be having bond drag test and modified bond drag test. That is 1 gram of drug will be added with a 5 to 10 ml of dilute HCl, boil in a water bath for about 10 minutes, and the filtrate will be filtrated, and that extract will be allowed to react with CCl4 and benzene. And here we want to add some of ammonia and want to have a shake among it. So pink or red color will be present in the ammonical layer due to the anthraquinone moiety. And chemical test for saponin glycosides, hemolysis test, and for steroid and terpenoid, Lieberman test will be carried out, and Salkowski test will be carried out, the Zimmermann test, and chemical test for cardiac glycosides, Killar-Kinani, legal test, Baljet, and Coumarin glycosides will be for fluorescent test, and perchlorate test will be carried out, and cyanophoric sodium picrate test, and chemical test for flavonoid glycosides, ammonia, shinoda, and vanillin HCl will be carried out. So this is the short notes about glycosides. Thank you. Hi dear viewers, I am Kalaivani from SNS College of Pharmacy.